Welcome to Koinamed India Private Limited. Today we are going to represent to you our imaging table that is 1212. You can have a look to this table. This table has the stainless steel fitting. We have used 304 stainless steel. The length of this tabletop is 2100 mm and the width of the tabletop is 525 mm. This table has radio-translucent top with fully imaging permeable. We have provided 50 mm thick mattress and that is removable. We have provided the velcro over the mattress and on the top so you can stick and detach it easily. You will get this table with the corded remote. This wire corded remote has two positions. Now I'm gonna operate. You can see the table is going upwards. Now the table will go downwards. Minimum and the maximum height of the table without mattress is 685 mm to 990 mm. Now I will show you the sliding of the tabletop. The tabletop sliding is of 300 mm. We have provided 4 wheels in this table, in which 2 wheels are swivel caster wheels. We have provided the central floor locking. By keeping them up from both of the sides, the table will start moving. If I keep them down from both of the sides, the table will not move. Now it's locked. This is all about our imaging operation table that is 1212. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.